Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty is my name.
Alright y'all, so as promised, I am bringing you guys a tutorial today on how to flawlessly blend your type 4 natural hair, or just natural hair period, with weave. There's so many negative opinions about black women and their weave, or how weave doesn't match with our hair, blah blah blah. So today we're going to be shutting them haters up. So if you've already seen my low sleek bun tutorial that I uploaded recently, then you know how I achieved this sleek look. If you haven't, I will link it at the top of the screen so you can watch that video after this one. But I went ahead and redid my bun, but put it a little bit higher because I was rocking a low sleek bun for a while. But for this hairstyle, I want the ponytail to sit a little bit higher up. And another important thing to keep in mind when trying to achieve this look is to make your bun as small and compact as possible, because you don't want it to peek or poke through the ponytail that you're putting over it. Now once the bun is created, grab some curly tracks or straight tracks. It's really up to you. I'm doing curly tracks because my hair was in its curly state, so it would just blend better. So you take curly tracks. At the very start of it, you're going to bobby pin that in so that it'll stay in place, and literally just wrap the track around the base of your bun. Once you've used up all the track, go ahead and grab another bobby pin and put it on the end of that track as you did in the beginning. Then you're done. No, I'm just kidding. I'm adding more hair. That was just some leftover hair that I had that I just decided to use. And now I'm using a full bundle that I received. So I used about a bundle and 1/4 of another bundle because I wanted the ponytail to be really full and thick, which will work because I have thick and full hair. And that's another thing to really keep in mind and remember to do when it comes to making weave blend with your natural hair nicely. The amount of density your hair has is the same amount of density you should be adding for the weave. So don't be having no thick hair like Gabby Douglas and try to pull off a Miley Cyrus ponytail. That's just not gonna work, boo. So yeah, after you've added an equal proportion amount of weave to your hair, secure the end with a bobby pin. Then if you're working with curly hair, find a styling tool, preferably a brush, and begin brushing / teasing through the hair. This is another major step in making sure your weave looks natural and blends well with your natural hair. Let's be real, curly natural hair is rarely ever tamed and or uniform, which is honestly one of the reasons our hair is so beautiful. However, because of that fact, we can't add weave and extensions to our hair and expect it to look good without mimicking our hair's natural attributes such as volume, fullness, and a bit of untamed frizz. Embrace the unsystematic beauty of our hair, girl. As you can see, it still turns out just as beautiful. Now, before we finish this off, you're gonna have to cover them tracks for just in case purposes. So grab a back piece from the weave and literally wrap it around the base of the bun. So where you were wrapping those tracks around, wrap that one piece around and then secure it with a bobby pin so that it'll hide any tracks that may have shown had you not did this step. So yeah, after you've done that, just keep teasing the hair until it's to your liking. I wanted it to be a little less uniform because my curls just don't be like that, but once I got it the way I wanted, the ponytail looked so flawless with my natural hair. It mimicked my hair's fullness and thickness very well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found my tips helpful so that the next time you decide to add any weave or extensions to your hairstyle, it will come out slayed, honey, and natural, so nobody will be questioning you or looking at you sideways. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you are new, and until next time, guys, bye.
Move your body cause you're loving the way that you walk. Move your body if you're loving the way that you talk. One time if you're confident. Clap 2 times cause you own me. Never gave a damn about what they say, cause you handle all your business on a day by day. Head high, chest up, and catch that frame, cause beauty is your name.